Drones are becoming more popular and advanced every year, and the latest models are packed with features for a variety of uses. From professional photographers to hobbyists and everyone in between, there's a drone out there that can meet your needs. So let's take a look at the DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is an ultralight foldable drone that is perfect for travel. This compact and convenient drone has a 3-axis gimbal with a 4K camera for capturing stunning 12MP photos. It also has a powerful performance with a max battery life of 31 minutes and can resist level 5 winds. You can fly it up to 10 kilometers away with ocusync 2.0 HD video transmission, giving you the ability to see farther and clearer. It also features 4x digital zoom, making it easier and safer to switch between shots. With its quick shots feature, you can produce amazing cinematic videos with just a few taps, and share them directly to social media with soundtracks and filters. The DJI Fly app helps you to get the most out of your flights, regardless of your experience level. The DJI Mini 2 is the perfect combination of power and portability, allowing you to capture the perfect shot wherever you go.